instantly I have one compass at my home.
Okay. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good
Let's
Good
morning.
morning.
good morning. A very good morning to all
Morning,
of
ma'am.
you. Let's start our class with the
Good
first.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning now. Now, no good mornings. Now, first we begin our class with the revision what we have done in our last class, what we have done yesterday. So first we will do what we have done yesterday. Now, Priya will tell me. Priya, can you please switch on your mic?
Yes, ma'am.
Priya, can you please tell me what we have done yesterday?
We have learned how to calculate the diameter and radius.
Okay. Can Dharya will tell me how you have calculated the diameter when radius is given?
Ma'am, we have to multiply. Example that if the radius is 2 centimeters, so the diameter is 4 centimeters by
Very good.
multiplying.
By multiplying with what?
2 multiplied by 2 because the radius is also 2.
Okay. So diameter, why you only multiplying with 2? Why are you not multiplying with 3?
I can multiply.
So you will get 6?
Yeah.
No. Can anyone explain this? Why
Ma'am,
we are
please.
multiplying?
Ma'am, please.
Yes, Ruhi.
Ma'am, ma'am, can I? Ma'am, because diameter is the double of
Diameter is
Because we want the double of it.
So, yes, diameter is the double of radius. That's why we multiplying with the what? There yet 2.
2.
Okay, Rahil.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. Can you please tell me how to find the radius when diameter is given?
Ma'am, divide.
Divide by what?
2, ma'am.
Why with the 2?
Yes, ma'am. 2.
Why? But why?
Because it is half.
Ma'am,
Because
can
it
I
is.
say?
No,
Ma'am, can
please,
I?
my dear, let one child clear. Okay. If he will not clear with his doubts, then he will face the difficulty. Yes, Rahil. Why with the
Ma'am,
2, Rahil?
ma'am, because
Because what?
ma'am, what we have to do, ma'am?
Lakshya, I have not started yet. Next
Ayansh,
time,
don't
join on.
play with the compass. Please pay attention what ma'am is saying. Ayansh.
Lakshya, next time, please join on time. Yes, Rahil.
I
I
don't
am
know,
saying
ma'am.
you don't know. Oh, will Twisha, can you
Yes, ma'am.
please explain, Rahil, why we divide with the 2?
Ma'am, did you ask me?
Yes,
Or
Twisha.
okay, did you ask me? Because it is half.
What is
Half
half? The diameter is the half or the radius is the half?
radius is the half.
Half of what?
Diameter.
Yes. Can you please explain one example?
If I have a circle and its radius is 3 centimeters.
No, no,
So the
no. Just now you have to say with the diameter. If the diameter is,
okay, then the diameter is 6 centimeters. So the radius will be 3 centimeters divided by 2.
very good. Now you understood, Rahil? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Darya, put your things down. Okay, now I am going to present you something. That is your classwork based on the revision what we have done yesterday. Please do that sums now. I am going to present my screen.
Ma'am, in your notebook? Ma'am, in our
Yes,
notebook?
yes, in our notebook. Whatever we write in the notebook. Okay. If there is a space to write in the textbook, I will let you know when to write in the textbook. My screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
This is your classwork. Put the date, today's date. Write chapter number 8, cards and wheels. Write revision. and write question number 1. Find the diameter if radius is first is 8 centimeter. Please solve this with the complete formula. And second is if the diameter is 6 centimeter. Second question is find the radius if diameter is given to you and the diameter is 18 centimeter and second question is 9 centimeter. Please solve these questions in your notebook.
I mean, notebook, no?
Yes. Till that, I will take the tables.
Ma'am, sorry, I have tuition notebook.
Which child is this?
Vaidi Salya.
Why Vedi? Where is the class notebook?
I brought, but it is bigger one.
You write in the class notebook.
Okay. Ma'am, now textbook or notebook?
My dear, same thing I'm repeating again and again. Write in notebook. Solve these questions in notebook. Whenever we solve anything, we do in the notebook. We don't have space in the textbook. Ashvi, you are there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Ashvi, tell me table of 9.
9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 six are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, 9 tens are 90.
Okay. Aryaman,
Ma'am, I have to ask you something.
સમજ તો ખરી તું આમાં ધ્યાન આપે છે એના કરતા પેલી બોલે છે.
which child is this whose mic is on?
Dhyan Patel. Dhyan Dalal.
I'm Ayush.
सॉरी मैम बट ध्यान को है ना ये बिल्कुल आ नहीं रहा है मैथ्स का, ये समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है मैम.
Dhyan, what happened?
बिल्कुल भी उसको समझ नहीं आ रहा है, ये चैप्टर ही समझ नहीं आ रहा है कितने दिन से मैम.
Ma'am, you know, yesterday also I was asking something from Dhyan.
मैम क्या
And
है
then
कि अभी ध्यान मैम ध्यान के पापा है ना अस्पताल है और मैं बैठ नहीं रही हूँ उसके साथ, थोड़ा आज ही मैं बैठी हूँ इसलिए थोड़ा तकलीफ होगा इसको भी, उसको कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है, मतलब कितने
I will
दिन से
check,
उसके
ma'am.
पापा हॉस्पिटल में है.
Okay.
तो उसको आप बाद में एक्सप्लेन कीजिए ना, ये जरा उसको नहीं समझ आ रहा है.
Okay, ma'am, I will check with Dhyan. Dhyan, you stay online after 10 minutes after the class.
Ma'am.
Yes, Anushka.
Ma'am, I want to say that we have to do this with the whole formula, or we can do it directly.
Whole formula, complete, not directly.
Ma'am, can you show that screen?
Ma'am,
Yes,
Ma'am, can you do the
presentation.
presentation?
Now my presentation is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, which
Yes, my
worksheet
dear.
you send tomorrow that we have to find radius and that? Ma'am,
That was little blurred.
Yes, I'm not getting. In my
Ma'am,
device, it is very blur.
Okay, I will discuss it later on.
So you can say what are the numbers.
We will discuss regarding that later on.
Please switch off your microphone.
Ma'am,
Children, yes.
ma'am, in question 1, find the diameter if radius is dash. In that, what you have to do? I can't understand this question.
Find the diameter. Children,
I have
please
a
switch
doubt.
off your mic first. Switch off your mic first.
Ma'am,
Ayan,
ma'am, my mother wants to talk with you.
If anybody wants to talk with ma'am, just raise your hand.
After the class, I will discuss all this.
ma'am, Dhruv Patel is saying mother wants to talk.
After the class, Dhruv Patel.
Excuse me, Kanak ma'am. Ma'am, can you present? Excuse me, Kanak ma'am.
Yes, Lama.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I am saying that
Ma'am, which method you showed day before yesterday? I was not clear with that. But yesterday my mother showed me a new method. So ma'am, can I do with it?
That
Yes, yes.
Renu ma'am will tell. Okay.
Yes,
Sorry.
yes. Find the diameter if radius is, means the radius is 8 centimeter is given. Samriddhi, I am repeating it again. If the radius is 8 centimeter, so what will be the diameter? Put the formula of calculating the diameter is always the double of the radius. As we have discussed this before also, the diameter is the double of radius. So multiply 8 with 2. So Samriddhi, what will be the answer? Whenever we take the double of any number, we multiply that number with 2.
Excuse
So
me,
Samriddhi,
Renu, ma'am.
tell me. Yes.
Ma'am, your voice is
If we
cutting.
have to find the radius, we have to
Ma'am, answer is
the
4.
normal only, right? We have to divide
Find
the
the
normal way.
diameter.
If we have no, I am on the radius. So if we have to find the radius, we have to divide.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to do this both of 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter.
Yes. Vivan Patel, what will be the answer to find the diameter?
Ma'am, we have to divide with 2.
No, my dear, find the diameter. What we are finding here?
Diameter.
So what we will do?
Ma'am, we will multiply that.
Yes, so what will be the answer?
Ma'am, 16.
Yes. Vihan Patel.
Ma'am,
What will be the answer of second?
Ma'am, second. Ma'am, we use compass.
No,
Ma'am.
if I am asking from Vihan, Vihan only will answer me.
Ma'am, if the radius is 6 centimeter,
Diameter, yes, radius is 6 centimeter.
so the
Then-
diameter will be 12 centimeter because the radius is half of the diameter.
So the diameter will be?
12 centimeter.
Yes. Next, Lamha.
Yes, ma'am.
Lamha, find the radius. Here what we have to find out?
We have to find out radius.
And what is given to us?
18 centimeter.
That is radius or the diameter?
It is the diameter.
So when diameter is given, how you will find out the radius?
Half.
So what will be the radius of this?
9 centimeter.
Good. Next.
Ma'am, we have to see whole formula.
Yes, you have to put the formula also. Man Rajoria. Man Rajoria, switch off your mic.
Ma'am, can you show the presentation?
Yes, yes, I will show.
Ma'am, can you present?
I am
see, I have done the 8 centimeter formula.
8 centimeter formula.
Means of 8. Ma'am, you will send this in classroom.
No, you complete it right now. This is your class work, not homework. Ayush Singhania,
Yes, ma'am.
can you explain what we will do for the 9 centimeter, what we are calculating here in the question number 2?
Ma'am, in 9 centimeter, there's a formula finding radius. Diameter divided by radius. Right. Diameter. Right. Radius divided by 2 is equal to diameter divided by 2 is equal to radius.
Yes.
So if we divide this with 2, first the answer will come.
Divide it and tell me.
4.5.
Yes. Let him do. Let him do.
4.5.
Yes. 4.5 meters. I, Ayush, 4.5 meters.
Centimeters.
Yes. So please use the same unit which is mentioned here. I'm going to switch
Aryaman,
off
Aryaman,
everyone's
switch off your mic. Aryaman Sanghai.
Ma'am, tell them that they raise hand and Kanukman will pick up
Yes.
and tell you. This is the best.
I'm going to present it again. Children, please write the questions fast so that you can do it later on also.
Ma'am, ma'am is the
Ma'am, I is the ma'am gun
Because I am so
Yes,
fast.
Meghdad, tell me.
ma'am in the find the radius question
So slow.
2. I've written 4.5.
Yes, that is 4. No, write 4.5.
4.5. How?
ma'am where
4.5 centimeters.
ma'am where
Yes.
How can I write that?
4.5.
ma'am you write
Okay,
means
okay.
the work.
Right.
Completed, then okay. Children, do it fast so that we start our today's topic.
Ma'am, what is
Vaidi,
first
in between,
answer?
no one's mic should be on.
And what is
Vaidi, mic off.
ma'am I have done. Ma'am I have also done. I have
No
bring
need to tell
geometry
me
box.
that I have done. Okay, I'm going to stop this now.
Ma'am, give ma'am 1 minute.
1 minute. Done, ma'am. You can stop the presentation.
Children, please write the digits and write the question first so that
ma'am.
so that you can complete it later on also.
Yeah, ma'am, you can have the presentation.
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
So now we are going to start our today's topic, that is how to make the circle with the compass. First, I will make you familiar with the things which you find in the compass box.
Ma'am, I have bring compass box.
Yes, that I have told you. So no need to tell me, right?
Everyone, there are lots of things inside your geometry box. Let us first get familiar with them. We have been using ruler since we were in primary school, right? Suppose we want to draw a line which is 3 centimeter in length. And to draw it, we would use a ruler. Now, compass is the second most used tool in the compass box.
That we are going to
This is
use
a pair
today.
of compasses, commonly known as a compass. It's a drawing instrument that can be used for making circles or arcs. If you see, there are two legs in a compass. The straight or the steady leg has a needle point at its end, and the other leg is adjustable one where the pencil fits in. This leg can be altered in order to draw different sizes of circles. So let us see how to use it. Say you are given a line which is 5 centimeter in length, but think you don't know the value. Now you need to draw a line segment of the same length. So how to do it? We draw a line segment of little longer length. Let's call it OA. We put the needle of the compass at one end of the given line. Now open the compass till the pencil tip reaches the other end. Next, we put the needle on point A and make a cut on the line OA, say at point B. If you see, line segment AB will be of same length as of the given line segment. And this we know is equal to 5 centimeter. We can use a compass for drawing a circle. Say, we want to draw a circle of radius which is equal to 6 centimeter. First, we draw a line of 6 centimeter and take 6 centimeter measurement using the compass. We say we are taking a radius of 6 centimeter with the help of compass. Now, keep the needle at one place and make the pencil rotate around it. And thus, we get a circle of radius 6 centimeter. We can do many more things with the compass.
So this way we will use the compass to draw a circle, right? I'm going to present one more video to show you how to draw a circle.
Ma'am. Renu ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I was telling that, ma'am, can you show how you draw circle? Because the video was not too clear to me.
Okay. See the another video. In this also we will show you how to draw a circle.
Yeah, ma'am. I have a doubt.
These all the three things which you need to draw a circle. Suppose if you want to draw a circle of 5 centimeter, first draw a line, then check the tip. I think you all have the compass like this. Put the pencil in this, tight it, and then check the tip. The both should come equally, and then open your compass with the measurement of your radius, and then put your compass on the center and roll it and make a circle like this. Again, it is showing with the different radius. Please remember, always we draw a circle with the measurement of a radius. If now is showing the measurement of a radius 2 centimeter and you have to draw the circle of 2 centimeter. So draw a line first and then round it. Have you checked, children, how to draw a circle?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I can draw without line also.
No, but when I will give you the proper, you can draw without line. But if in question it is coming that draw a circle of this measurement, specific radius is given to you, then you have to draw the circle with the specific measurement. You will not draw.
Ma'am.
One by one the child will speak.
Ma'am, now can
Ma'am,
because
Ma'am, if there is space there, so we can write down.
Yes,
Draw
yes.
this circle
No,
down.
no, from the new page. From the new page there.
Okay.
Right.
I have a doubt.
Wait a minute. Let me complete first. So you please open the new page. Then one more video I will show you. And then we start drawing our classwork. Yes, Rudra Mangokia, what is the problem?
Ma'am, after drawing, We have to keep the radius line or we have to erase the radius line?
You have to draw the radius line and always
Ma'am, like
circle.
Ma'am, like
I'm
this.
saying that we have to keep the radius line, or after drawing the circle we have to erase the
It's up
radius
to,
line.
no, you can keep. Don't erase.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
like this.
Yes,
Shreya, switch off your
Priya,
mic. Shreya.
tell me what you were asking.
Ma'am, I was saying that what is this? And it is
This
the
we will not use. This we will not use now. Okay.
Ma'am, see like this I have drawn.
Ma'am, we have to draw with pencil only.
Yes. We will draw all the geometrical shapes with the pencil only. Now again, I am going to show you something. And then we will do our classwork on the basis of drawing the circle. My presentation is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
About the geometrical shape circle and how to draw it. Look at these objects. They are all circular in shape.
Before starting, when we have started our class in the beginning, we have learned how to draw the circle with the circular objects.
A circle is a plane figure in which all the points are at a same distance from the center. Let's now learn how to draw a circle. To draw a circle, we use a compass. A compass has two arms, a metal arm and a pencil arm connected by a hinge. Step 1. Keep the metal point of the compass firmly on a fixed point.
See, wherever you want to draw the circle, either in the center, down, wherever you want to draw, you keep your metal arm on the center of your, wherever you want to draw the
Step
circle.
2. Stretch the arm of the compass that holds the pencil. Step 3.
Ma'am, we have to
Move
start
the
doing.
pencil
No,
arm
no.
around, keeping the metal arm fixed.
See, first first decide the center, keep your metal arm at there, and then open your compass, and only you have to round your pencil part this way. Then you will get the complete circle how to draw. And if you face difficulty in drawing the circle, you can move your page, but I suggest you can just only move your compass.
Move the pencil arm around, keeping the metal arm fixed. Hey, look, we have drawn a circle. Now, let's draw one more circle. But
here the radius is given to you, that is 4.5 centimeter. Now check how to take the centimeter of 4.5 on the scale, on ruler.
this time with a radius of 4.5 centimeters. Step 1. Use a ruler to set the distance between both the arms as
And please always remember, when you take the measurement, if you want to draw a circle of 4.5 centimeter, start from 0.
4.5 centimeters. Step 2. Place the point of the compass on a fixed point. Step 3. Move the pencil arm around to draw the circle. Now, let's learn some of the important terms related to the circle. Look at the figure.
This we have already done about what is diameter, chord, and the radius. So now I will tell you to draw a circle of 3 centimeters. Start drawing. First, what you will do? First step is
To make a point.
no.
Ma'am, first we will
To take 3 centimeters.
and we will push a exact
Okay, Vivaan,
metal
I
point
will,
draw a circle.
I will tell the child name. That
Then
child
we
only
have
will
to
tell.
use the
Ma'am, the radius centimeter.
Yes, yes.
The still
Arna,
wrong.
there, wait.
Then ma'am, I have done.
Arna, Arna Agarwal. Ashvi, Ashvi, Aryaman Sanghai. Children, if these children are in the class, why they are not responding?
Ma'am, I have done.
Jan, you have done?
Yes.
Wait, Jan, I'll come back to you.
me.
Yes, Aryaman. Aryaman, when I will say, Aryaman, can you hear me?
Ma'am, Vivan's mic is on. Vivan, microphone off.
Aryaman, please switch off your mic when I will ask, complete my question and then you will answer me.
Ma'am, I have drawn circle. Ma'am, done with 3 centimeter.
Vivan, wait 1 minute, my dear. Aryaman, if the radius is given to you, radius is 3 centimeter, and you have to draw a circle, what is the first step you will do? Aryaman, can you hear me now?
Ma'am,
Yes,
Ma'am,
Aryaman.
first I will make one line of 3
Aryaman,
centimeters.
switch on your camera
and then
first.
keep the point in the.
Switch on your camera first.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, it is only 1 minute. First, I will make one line of 3 centimeter. And
Yes.
I will put the point at 3 and put pencil on 0 and make the circle.
Okay. So have you tried? Have you tried to
No,
make the
no.
circle?
Ma'am, I'm making that.
Okay. I'll come back to you again. Next child, Ayansh Jain.
Yes, ma'am.
Ayansh Jain, your circle is ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please show me?
Yes, ma'am. And we have to draw the circle in our notebook.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Dhyan
you can
Dalal,
see
sit
this.
properly.
Ma'am, you can see.
Just a minute, I will check. Yes. You draw the radius line also. My dear, I will come back to you. You wait for your turn. Now, next child, Devyosha, show me. Yes. Dharya, show me.
Ma'am, I have drawn on a paper. It's okay?
Why? Where is the notebook? Dharya, bring it little down in the center of your camera. No, it is not visible still.
Ma'am, I'm from A, but you
Let me do little.
Mama, I'll show you my
Ma'am,
Okay.
Ma'am, I'll show you my.
I will come back. No.
Ma'am, can I show you?
No. Sorry. Farzan. Farzan, can you please show me your work?
But ma'am, I am not a ruler. I have a rule, but it is not a pen only.
I told you yesterday also, be ready with your things.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Jishna.
Ma'am, see.
Rahil, sorry. I am calling everyone's name. and then I will see accordingly. Jishna, can you please show me your work? Yes. Now my next question is, draw a circle of diameter 8 centimeter. Now I am telling diameter. And
Okay, ma'am, we can draw.
Ayan,
Ma'am, can you see it now?
Dhruv, Dharya, wait, I will come back to you.
Okay.
Now I am telling diameter is given. Lakshya, switch off your mic. Now I am telling the diameter is given and the diameter is 8 centimeter. And you have to draw a circle of diameter 8 centimeter. Rudra, will you able to draw a circle of diameter?
No, we will do 2 divided by 8 and we will get the answer.
2 divided by 8 or 8 divided by 2?
Sorry, 8 divided by 2, we will get the answer 4. So we will do from 4 radius.
Yes, excellent. We always draw the circle with the radius, not with the diameter. If in case diameter is given to you, first you have to find the radius and then you have to draw the circle. Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Ayansh Jain. Sorry, not Ayansh Jain. Ayush. Tuisha, I will come back to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Ayush, draw a circle with diameter 10 centimeter.
Ma'am, can you see us make the circle? But I was on. Ma'am, I made the circle.
Yes, show me. Yes, diameter is given to you, 10 centimeter. And you have to draw.
First, I will do 10 divided by 2. I will get 5. Then I'll make a circle of 5.
How much centimeter? Yes. Yes, Aryaman, show me your work.
Ma'am,
Yes, Rudra, tell me.
we have to do 5 centimeter
Yes,
circle.
yes. You can do, now you take your own numbers, any number, 2 circle with the radius. And now,
Ma'am,
yes, Rudra.
so the question will be, we have to draw 10 centimeter diameter or 5 centimeter radius.
5, you will draw the circle with the radius.
No, I know that.
Yes, yes.
But what will be the
Okay,
question?
I am
10
writing.
centimeter
I will present you my screen. I will write the questions. You all have to write the basis of that. You draw the. Okay. Wait, I will present my screen.
Then we can draw 2
No.
circles with our own numbers.
You can draw, but I am also giving you the numbers to draw. Here I will write. You please draw that. Question number 1 on new page.
Renu ma'am, I
Draw.
have a
Yes,
class, so
ma'am.
I am leaving. Huh? I am
Yes,
leaving.
yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Huh?
Draw a circle. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Draw a circle of radius 5.5 centimeter. Please note that you take the measurement from starting from 0. When you measure it on the ruler, start from 0. Second question is, draw a circle. Dhyan Dalal, you stay online 5 minutes after the class. Draw a circle of diameter 12 centimeter. Do these 2 questions. Can you all see my screen? Sorry, Ayush, it is visible?
Ma'am, perfectly visible.
Okay. Do these 2 questions. Draw a circle of
Ma'am,
radius 5.5 centimeter and draw a circle of diameter 12 centimeter.
Ma'am, before you gave that 5 centimeter, that also we have to do na 5
Yes,
centimeter
yes,
and that one.
yes, yes.
Ma'am, I can't
Ma'am, if
understand
you
how
say
to draw
that
a circle.
draw a circle of radius 5.5 instead radius, if you said diameter, then what is the half of 5.5?
Then that number should be like that only. It will not give that numbers that 5.5. You will able to divide it easily. That numbers will come. 5.5 it will be 2.3 or 2.2, right? In between 2.2 or
Excuse
2.3.
me, ma'am. Ma'am, my book is this much small, so I can't draw the 5.5
Ma'am, can you
one.
show the screen?
5.5 will come.
Ma'am, but it will come this much big. See.
My dear,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you show the presentation?
Ma'am, it will come this much big.
Vihan, the highest circle can come till 8 centimeter in your notebook. Okay, I will reduce this. I will make it 3.5, and this also I will make, sorry, 3.5, and this I will make.
Ma'am, but I made. Yes, ma'am, I also made that.
If you have done, it's okay. If you have not done, you do with the next measurement. Okay?
So I have done, so I do this also.
No, no.
I have done that 5.5 and 12 centimeter.
So have you draw with the 12 centimeter?
No, I'm drawing. I'm
Rudra, will you able to draw the circle with the 12 centimeter diameter?
No, we will do the 6 centimeter.
Yes, very good, excellent. Ashvi, those who have done these questions, they can leave the class. Ashvi, stay online.
Ma'am, can I show you my division machine?
Yes, show me.
Okay, ma'am.
I have done.
Yes, Trisha, show me.
Ma'am, I have done. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Ma'am, can you show what
I will
is
send you the
3.5?
I will send you the worksheet based on this, drawing the circles.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Ashvi, stay online. Ashvi, you are there?
Okay, ma'am, done.
Ma'am,